Forests are essential to the health of our planet and our species. About 30% of forests have disappeared globally, and another 20% are degraded to the point that they no longer provide climate-critical benefits. The Miyawaki technique, a pioneering method developed by Japanese plant ecologist Miyawaki in the 1970s, promises a solution that can rapidly and efficiently restore degraded land, absorb carbon dioxide emissions, and preserve and enhance biodiversity, creating dense, multi-layered native forests in the process. These Miyawaki forests are cropping up around the world. The technique ensures 10 times faster plant growth, 30 times denser plantation, and 20 times more biodiversity than non-native natural forests. Whilst it would take a natural forest nearly 200 years to restore itself, Miyawaki forests can create an indigenous forest ecosystem and environment within just 20 to 30 years, with the forest becoming self-sustaining within a mere 3 years, requiring no maintenance thereafter. These forests offer environmental, disaster and water source protection, being completely unyielding to natural disasters such as fires, earthquakes, typhoons, or tsunamis. Lowering a city's temperature, offering greater carbon absorption, and reducing air pollution makes planting these urban forests a crying need of the hour. Lahore is the second most polluted city in the world, according to the Air Quality Index 2020. It has lost 75% of its green cover in the last 15 years alone. After Prime Minister Imran Khan launched his Clean and Green Pakistan drive in October 2018, Punjab's Chief Minister and its Parks and Horticulture Authority, along with Lahore civil society and Pakistan's corporates, have stepped in and adopted this much-needed afforestation project.
प्राइम मिनिस्टर पाकिस्तान और चीफ मिनिस्टर पंजाब के विजन के मुताबिक PHA लाहौर ने मियावाकी अर्बन फॉरेस्ट लगाने का सिलसिला कोई तकरीबन 6 महीने पहले शुरू किया। तरतीब इसकी ये है कि 3 फुट ज़मीन निकाल के एक मखसूस कंकॉक्शन से मुख्तलिफ चीज़ें उसके अंदर ऐड की जाती हैं। उसके अंदर हमें लेयरिंग करनी होती है। टॉप लेयर में हमारे पास दरख्त हैं जिसमें जामन, अर्जुन, फिर जो सेकंड लेयर में आते हैं उसमें अनार शामिल है, अमरूद वगैरह। जो सबसे नीचे है उसमें मोतिया और मरवा शामिल है। इस पूरी एक रिजीम के साथ एक एग्जॉटिक एनवायरनमेंट क्रिएट होता है। तो इस तरह के एनवायरनमेंट में शहद की मक्खी वापस आती है, तितलियां वापस आती हैं। सो ऑल इन ऑल एक लाहौर जैसे शहर में जहाँ पे इस चीज़ की बहुत शदीद रिक्वायरमेंट है, वहाँ पे हम इस तरह की मल्टीपल साइट्स लगा रहे हैं ताकि हम PHA एज एन ऑर्गेनाइजेशन अपना हिस्सा डाल सके towards a cleaner and greener Lahore in compliance of the Prime Minister and Chief Minister's wishes.
51 sites have been allocated which are almost complete. Land from 1 canal up to 50 canals has been set aside for forestation, totaling 154 canals with 1,60,605 plants inhabiting them to date. In August 2017, the province of Khyber Pakhtunkhwa became the first entity in the world to complete the Bond Challenge, a global effort to collectively restore 150 million hectares of the world's deforested and degraded land by 2020, and 350 million hectares by 2030 by restoring 350,000 hectares of land. In September 2020, Pakistan announced its commitment to restore a further million hectares of land.
हमारी जो कैंपेन थी बिलियन ट्री सुनामी, वो हमने पख्तूनख्वा में की। 1 अरब दरख्त उगाए हमने। अब हम सारे पाकिस्तान में कैंपेन करेंगे इंशाल्लाह 5 सालों में। हमारा टारगेट है 10 अरब दरख्त।
And in doing so, reaffirming its role as a leader in global afforestation efforts. It is vital that we continue to help the lungs of our planet heal so that we and our future generations can breathe easy once more.